farming, to pick an industry that is seemingly very different than healthcare, has really embraced this idea of tailoring the solution to a very small section of a problem. And when I say small section, I mean a small section of land. So there's this concept in farming that's come out that's called farming by the foot. And it's amazing to me. It's like an Internet of Things case study where these sensors are tracking the ability for a square foot of land to produce a desired outcome. And that square foot of land is tracked through large data, through a lot of sensors and things. But as the implements, the tractors with the nutritions and all of the things that go over this piece of land, sense this square foot and the needs that it has, it's placing those exact prescribed, tailored solutions to make the thing that they want to grow in that square foot flourish. So in networks, just to stretch the metaphor a little bit, the soil is kind of the network. It's like this big piece of land, and the seeds might be the members. And this tractor, the implements are the things that are part of this platform solution. Andros is part of that solution. There's other network lifecycle platform tools out there that need to work together in order to say, hey, there's a deficiency here in this little space, and we want to understand what that deficiency is or might be in the future, and we want to put a solution in place to help shore up the ability for that member to thrive as best they can with this network. So I'm curious, am I stretching the analogy too far? Is it hitting home to you? And B, how would you see a small farmer who can't afford the big tractor and all the tooling? Where do they start? How do they raise their awareness of what they can do with 100 acres versus these farms that own thousands of acres?